How you doing? This is Mario with Clean Cut Landscaping. We're over here in River Ridge and we have completed this landscape renovation cleanup. We also added some LED lighting. Let me let you take a look at this nice yard. This particular customer has a really nice intimate yard, nice patio furniture, pavers. It basically looked really good when we got here. We just updated it with some additional plants, ripped out some stuff that was kind of old, and just kind of updated it with some soil, mulch, plants. We also added some really nice lighting. Spotlights are going to light up the trees at night. But I really like this yard. It's small and very pleasant to look at. But I can only imagine at night coming out here with some wine, sitting at the table, surrounded by the LED lights. It's definitely going to be very nice tonight. Can't wait to see it. If you want your yard to be nice and cozy and just relaxing, give Clean Cut Landscape a call and we can transform your yard into something really nice. Give us a call at 415-1438 or visit us at cclanddesign.com.